It is another fun game, Little Troopers, and we're playing some 5 cents. Let's see how we do. Yeah, that is some reason very tough to choose where it can be. What do you think? Alright, let's see. Okay, alright. Let's try that one. Oh, we want sweet greens. Alright, that's a fun game. We have to choose. Okay, come on, lady. Let's try that one. Nothing. That one. Okay, 4 pigs. That one. Nothing. And it's very tough to find what exactly where she is. Not easy. Okay, let's see here. Nothing. Okay. Oh man. Final pick. Not so many choices left. Okay, let's try that one. Yeah, find it. Wow. We'll find her. Okay. Come on. Let's do green one. Oh, that's not much. It's like $10. Alright, let's try it. Yeah, looks like they don't want to pay much. Alright.